When Apple preached its MacBook Air 2018, it proudly called the update its greenest Mac thanks to its casing that is made of 100% recycled aluminum. Now, a disassembly suggests that it is also a laptop much easier to repair than the other recent Apple models, even if it fails to score as well as the MacBook Air 2015. In particular, the disassembly indicates that the new model is based much more on the adhesive strips than on the sticky solvents of the previous models. These strips can be easily removed to disassemble the laptop, while the solvents trap the process previously. The disassembly also confirms that the battery of the MacBook Air 2018 is much easier to replace. Other design settings, such as the Touch ID sensor and the Thunderbolt ports on separate logic boards, bring more good news. This will mean that the main logic board will not have to be replaced completely just because a port generates a fault. However, all these changes could not prevent the MacBook Air from getting a total repairable score of only 3 out of 10. Removable adhesive strips could be better than glue strips, but reusable screws are still preferred, and reporting is critical about the lack of RAM or upgradable storage. However, it reverses Apple's recent trend towards MacBooks that are almost irreparable.